You know which bottles are badass on this? Pet Boys. It's the Pet Boy bottles.
No, try this.
What's going on, Garcia?
Squeeze it like those. It's good stuff.
This bottle is ass. Squeeze this bottle. Okay.
Guys, we're currently setting up appointments with the.
Hey, get your shit done Monday.
On the details Monday?
Yeah.
I'm down.
Yeah, get your shit
Monday. You can do it
See,
here.
I don't need no fucking negotiate. He's my secretary.
You guys saw him a few vlogs ago. My boy Mohammed.
What's up, guys?
Go check him out. Go check him out, guys. Instagram is the same. So, hit him up. IE people. Alright, guys. So, in today's vlog, we're gonna be updating you guys on the Civic. Been getting a lot of comments asking what happened to the Civic. People thought I sold it. People are thinking all types of stuff. So, we're gonna get down to it. But first, guys, this is only gonna suck because it's only me and Leo. So hopefully
you really want to do this for ourselves?
All right, guys. So we got one truck, two trucks, and one yellow Mustang in the way of the Civic. So let's get it. This is the part that we're really hoping the guys come through because they've been lagging hella lately. So we're really hoping the guys come through because this right here is no problem. Pushing the Mustang out and then pushing it to right here. The problem is because we're gonna swap out the car. So basically, you can't see, but the Civic is on the other side of the Mustang. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap the cars because the Mustang doesn't run, but the Civic does. So it makes more sense to put the Civic behind the Mustang. So you know we can actually bring it out once in a while. If the guys don't come through, the Mustang is extremely heavy and we need at least one more person to push it up this driveway because it is impossible for one of us to push it because one of us has to be inside the car. So I mean, yeah, we need at least one more person. So what is it, all the tags?
Yeah.
So long story short, guys, if the guys don't come through, then we are Alright guys, so there is a lot of mouse poop, the feces all over the Mustang, and the Civic is pretty much in the same situation. So I'm hoping that no mice got inside the Civic because I'm gonna be really sad. I'm gonna be extremely sad. What? Do the Kiki challenge. Look guys, look how neglected the Civic is. I'm so sad. Lola, calm down. Hey, there's no rat shit. Doesn't even smell in here. That's crazy. Well guys, we're gonna see if she turns on after well, like a month and a half, 2 months maybe. Nah, hell no. Battery's dead. Not even the accessories are turning on. Hell no. guys, this is the current situation. We got the Mustang right there. Civic is now on the sidewalk. And Marcel with this perfect timing over there. Hi, buddy. What? What's so funny? Well, that shit looks neglected.
Why does that shit look like it's me in the Matt Russ from Modern Warfare 2? What's up, buddy?
Fuck you. So yeah, guys, pretty much what happened with the Civic was after the track event at Chuckwalla, I just went into Do Not Disturb in Leo's backyard. So I would drive it, guys, but I honestly don't have the space. It would sit like literally right here, and it already got people did break into it, but they didn't take anything because I caught them within like the first 20 seconds. So yeah, guys, that's sketchy leaving a Civic just out on the sidewalk like this. So I mean,
Okay.
at least yours is on the driveway, you know.
Not my other one.
The CRV?
Not my other Civic. That shit.
Oh yeah.
That shows.
Like Marcel on his old Civic, he had it literally off a busy road, and what happened to that?
He broke into it probably like 4 times at that spot. 3 times prior to that. But the funny thing is, they never took shit. They took my insurance, my pair of Adidas,
What the
and they broke my window for no reason.
So it was probably like some crackheads, maybe.
Of course. Like the one that stole my subs.
And then they even got egged because people hate just
They
for no
took
reason.
my subs out this one and then fucking took my radiator fluid. So that's like, you know, it's a crackhead. Who the fuck steals radiator fluid?
Yeah, exactly, guys. So Civics are not safe out on the street, guys. So that's the main reason why it's not at my house.
That's my neighbor. This has been up for like a week and 2 weeks.
Yeah. So luckily, guys, mice did not get inside the car. Well, at least it didn't look like it, but they definitely got inside the bay. Again, a lot of shit all up in my intake manifold, over there by the battery and the fuse box. But it's not that bad. It could be worse. Hopefully, honestly, my main concern is hopefully they didn't like chew any wires. But I guess we'll find it out later. Alright guys, so we're about to jump start the car for old time's sake. And I'm pretty sure it turned on now. I don't think any of the cables are chewed up or anything. So battery's completely dead, so we're gonna jump start it, and I think it's way too dirty to drive. I'm probably gonna crash. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
I mean, I guess we could drive it just around the block real quick, make sure everything is in order. Alright guys, currently jumping the Civic with its older brother, so probably let it sit there for a while. That battery is completely dead, so yeah, it should be fun. Oh, I need to take off my key. Alright, let's see if there's any type of juice. Come on, accessories, please turn on. Oh. I'm so not used to this. I hope that's neutral.
Yeah.
Alright guys, everything seems pretty solid. Pretty happy it's turned on. So let's go ahead and put this down. Why don't you go for a drive? Alright, well, me and my son are gonna go for a little drive, so here you go, buddy. There you go.
Recording.
I missed this cup holder. Perfect. Hey, Andy.
Yes?
Hey, who was in this passenger seat, dog?
You don't want to know what was going on here.
I'm looking up at the roof.
You don't.
I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm not gonna ask you one question.
Sit up straight.
I am sitting straight.
Hey, yo, knees in the way.
my back hurt. Oh. Damn! This shit looks like Silent Hill. Holy fuck. You driving this shit like this?
Should I take it on Sanders?
My seat! My seat! No mom's.
Is it really broken?
Yeah, that shit broke my spot.
Hopefully no cops are passing.
I know.
Of course the Evo's passing by right now.
I mean, that's nice, dude.
Bro, I haven't driven this thing in forever.
How long?
Since the track day.
Damn. Yesterday?
Shit felt like last year. Oh, sloppy pasta. Oh no, wait, Brian JZ 30. Wait, must be nice guy? Alright guys, so Mustang is now tucked in where the Civic used to be.
Andy, do you want to wash this off at least?
Are those spider eggs? Oh no.
Yeah, there's a spider right here on this one. Or there was a spider on this one.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna throw on the bumper with some zip ties and then throw it back in there. And that's gonna be a wrap. Yeah, I know. He has a, you know, Call of Duty when you're down.
Revive?
He has a revive, the revive over.
He's in the red.
Hey, he's scraping his ass on the ground.
Oh, the gate.
Parking lot, from the parking lot to my safe house. Told me to set it, spit an address.
Should be mad with. That's a Panamera, not a camera. The cranberry, not the fabric. Fucking bellies, natural hazards. And the loudest all smoking gases.
Yo, what is up guys? So it is the next day. Last night we pretty much just went to eat and then that was a wrap from there. But I did want to say guys that, so yeah, I mean that's pretty much what's going on with the Civic. It's pretty much just been neglected back there. I wish I had space for it where I live at, but I don't, because like I said, I would have to leave it in the street and it already got broken into and I don't want to deal with that again, so I just don't have space for it guys. But guys, if there is anything coming for the Civic, I think it is a color change. So me and Leo are down, so we would have to get down to sanding shit, and also we want to do proper body work, so Bondo and all that, fill in all the dents and all that. So that's probably what's coming next for the Civic, and probably very soon. So guys, I want you to comment down below what color you guys think I should paint the Civic. I have a color in mind, but I want to see what you guys think. And like, come on, it has to go with the engine bay guys. So the engine bay is like a dark blue, so it has to go with that guys. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's what's going on with the Civic. So anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Actually today guys, it's Jose's and Marcel's birthday, so we're actually gonna do like a little like B-Day cruise for them. Well, okay, their birthdays isn't the same day, they're like a few days apart from each other, so we're gonna do like a little cruise for them. So I'm probably gonna vlog that. It should be dope. We're gonna do a cruise to the beach, so look out for that video guys. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.